Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install the Voroly Rooftop Cargo Bag. Here you can look how to install this. This is the door panel. Just open it up. Then you just have to pull that one. This rubber. Here it is. Then you just put that hook onto it. Here it is. It's fixed now. Here, this is how you can fix this strap and put the bag on the roof and use this strap to clip the bag. This is for the back door. Just pull that rubber. Use that hook that you have got with the bag. Put it there. It's fixed now. Now you can use this strap to hold the bag with the clip. Voroly Cargo Bag. I'll show the bag how the big is. If your car going to this direction, your bag should be like this. Logo at behind and front without logo. It opens like that. Clips are there. You just put that bag on the roof. The length of the bag is 34 inches width and length is 44 inches. Just putting the luggage. This one is larger than that. Put that one inside. Now approximately 1 feet left. This one is large size, the red one, and this one is mid size, the blue one. Oh, it will fit like this also. Still I have that much of space, like 1.5 feet long and 1 feet width. This yellow one should be on the top. Each side has 2 straps, it's 8 straps, and there is chain. Look at this, very good quality. Chain quality is very good, and after zipping, just use this one. No dust, no air, and no rainwater would come inside. It's a very hard quality. I have used many times this one. Still I have this one, this space with no luggage. You can put small bags also here. That's it. Thank you for watching.